Hello everyone and welcome to my desk. She's a mess. Today we're going to be cleaning this up and also reorganizing it a little bit to give it some more life. When I first moved in, I kind of just threw everything on here because I didn't have the bookshelf that I now have or the dresser over there, so I needed somewhere to put things, and this was that place. The first thing I did actually was the other day I went through the little organizer that I put underneath my desk. I would just throw literally anything in there, lots of things that I don't necessarily need to have out that I could put away, you know, in my closet in different bins. So I went ahead and took everything out of those drawers. I looked through it, kind of slightly organized it. I put a bunch of cleaning stuff in the bottom drawer. I put my electronic things and just some other stuff that I want to have handy in the middle drawer, and then the top one has stationery, you know, tape for packing if I sell stuff on Depop or eBay, my scissors, things like that. And now it looks so much nicer. It was very necessary. I should have done it a long time ago, but you know what, we did it and we're good. Today I will be finally working on the top of the desk. Gonna take a while, so I better get started. Alright, so first thing I need to do is clean off this desk. I went ahead and dusted as well as wiped it down with some Clorox wipes. Then I started putting back a few different things, these magazine holders that have a bunch of stuff that I use around my desk, this little light bulb vase thing that I use to keep these fake flowers in that were from my college dance team, and I also got my laptop stand wiped down and set up in the back. Before starting on this new shelf that I bought, I have been looking for a cute little shelf like this for my desk for such a long time. I've been trying to find the perfect one and it's been really difficult. I found this one on AliExpress and it is amazing. It's exactly what I was envisioning when I was thinking about what kind of shelf I wanted. There are like a few dings here and there when you look at the metal, but it was from AliExpress, so I wasn't really expecting it to be perfect, if I'm completely honest. Finishing up the shelf by putting these little pads on the bottom of them so it doesn't scratch the desk, and then putting the extra pieces away into a bag. Then I started setting up how I wanted the shelf to look. I put this mushroom lamp on there that I got from IKEA, as well as this fake plant. I have a little basket of stationery I put underneath. I feel like it's almost time to let this candle go. Should I let it burn for just a little bit? It's time to bring in the new one. Gonna put it up here. And I realized it would look a lot more symmetrical if I had 3 things in the front and 2 things in the back, and I think it turned out really cute. One last thing, this cute little Shinx coaster that I use. Bam! And that's how the top of the desk looked after this first day. So like it's still like the cords are still like out and about, but honestly it looks a little more organized and I can kind of grab them easier. Slightly better. It has been a few days now. You can tell there have been some updates, specifically this little mat here. I got this mat to kind of help protect the desk a bit. Couple other things of note. I am keeping my sunscreen out here. Underneath the little shelf, I decided to like push the crate a little to the side, and I put a little trinket box that I have and also hand cream. If I have it out here and I see it, I will be more likely to use it on a very regular basis, I feel like. So there is one more thing I want to do, and that is changing this whole thing up here, kind of. So a lot of these are little pictures that I got from like a bundle of pictures from AliExpress. I also have this little boba thing that my sister made me, and this macrame keychain that was a wedding favor from my friend's wedding. I'm gonna take all of these things off, and I'm going to hopefully replace them with some of these prints that I have here. So this is a print of Jonghyun and Rue, which is really, really cute. I love it so much, and I want to put that up there. Next, this one is like just a cafe. I just liked the artwork, so I bought it, not for any particular reason. And last, I got this a few days ago. It is Tomboy. At some point, it would be very nice to actually get like a frame to put these in. That is my plan, and then I'm gonna be done. Then we're gonna be done. So as you can tell, my wall is very lacking. There's a lot of open space. I kind of just wanted to resituate things, make it look a little nicer. First, of course, starting by taking everything down. I also went ahead and moved this CD player that I have down a bit. This is on push pins, by the way. After that, I spent a solid 10 minutes trying to figure out how I wanted the pictures structured loosely. I ended up switching a lot of things around. I kind of want to keep this one and like this one up here. They're cute. I'll replace the tape later, but just like for ideas. I was thinking of switching them back to white tape, which is why you see some white tape on some of them right now. However, I decided to just cover the white tape with the black washi tape that I have. As I was setting this up, I was super unsure about where I was putting everything. I don't know what I'm doing, clearly. Girl, I don't have a design bone in my body, I'm sorry. You know, like, I don't hate this. It's a little more meaningful, even though I threw in a couple random ones, you know? You know, it would be easier if I just made them all the black tape. Maybe I'll just put the black tape over it. Fucking lazy. This is okay for now. Let me sit down and we will talk. I kind of do like having the actual prints and stuff that I've bought up there, but I really want to get frames. I just haven't been able to find any that I'm like in love with. This is not where I want it to be for sure, but it's better. I think at least it's better. I mean, I've seen worse. So, you know, so I think this is where I'm gonna end the video. I'm like not sure if this was entertaining at all. I'm sorry, but I'm too committed. I'm gonna post it. A couple things I learned. Number one, I need to dust my damn desk more. It gets dusty real fast, so gotta do that. And two, you don't have to buy a lot of things to just kind of like spruce it up a little bit, you know? I got the shelf, and that in itself already added just like a whole different element to my desk. So just that and this little mat, I feel like changed the look of it entirely. Also just cleaning it, finally cleaning it off and like putting things away. I don't know if there's anything y'all will be interested in that I have, but I will link what I have in the description, or what I could find in the description. For the outro, let me just turn it slightly and put it more on my face. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.